Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 11.4 question number 3. Given Manu's age to be x years, can you guess what x minus 2 may show? Think of Manu's younger brother. Can you guess what x plus 4 may show? What 3x plus 7 may show? Let us take, suppose we are solving question number A. Question number A is, given that Manu's age, let Manu's age is equal to x years. X years. Now can you guess what x minus 2 show? X minus 2 means 2 years before, 2 years less than that of Manu's age. Let us say that x minus 2, that is Manu's age. Suppose x minus 2 years, x minus 2 years is the age of Manu's younger brother or younger sister. Manu's younger brother, right? And next question is, can you guess x plus 4 years? We can say that x plus 4 years, x plus 4 years is the age of Manu's elder brother, right? And what 3x plus 7 may show? 3x plus 7 may 3x plus 7 years may be the age of Manu's father, or mother. This can be predicted, right? That is, Manu's age is x years. Therefore, we can say that x minus 2 may be the age of Manu's younger brother, and x plus 4 years is the age of Manu's elder brother, and 3x plus 7 years may be the age of Manu's father or mother. We can just predict, right? Now, question number B. The question number B is, now question number B. What is question number is C? Question number B is, given Sarah's age today to be y years, think of her age in the future or in the past. What will the following expression indicate? Y plus 7, y minus 3, y plus 4 and half, y minus 2 and half, right? That is, suppose question number B is, suppose Sarah's age today, Sarah's age is equal to y years, and in the future the age will be added, and in the past age will be subtracted, right? That is, what of the following expression indicates y plus 7? That is, y plus 7 years is the age of Sarah, will be the age of Sarah, will be the age of Sarah after 7 years, right? Y minus 3 years, maybe the y minus 3 years will be the age will be the age of Sarah before 3 years. Before 3 years. Right? Next one is y plus 4 and a half. Y plus 4 and a half will be the age of Sarah after 4.5 years. 4.5 years. Y minus 2.5 will be the age of Sarah before 2.5 years. Right? Now we'll solve question number C. Given any students in the class, question number C. Now question number C is given any students in the class like football, what may 2n show? What may n by 2 show? Suppose like question number C, the answer solution of question number C is C. What is that? That any student like football. N students like football. What may 2n show? 2n means double. Suppose 2n students may show maybe 2n students like cricket. Or we can say what may n by 2 show? N by 2 students may like tennis. Right? Suppose there are, let us take n is equal to 20. That means we can say that 20 students like football. And 2n means 2 into 20. Therefore 2n is equal to 2 into 20 is equal to 40 students. 40 students like cricket. Right? And n by 2 that is 20 by 2 is equal to 10 students like tennis. Right? Now you remember that since n is a variable, you can take any number. Right? You cannot think of a particular number, but since n is a variable, you can take any student. Suppose 10, 20, 30 or 100. If 100 students like football, then 200 students like cricket and 50 students like tennis. This depends on the variable n. Right? This is the solution of question number exercise 11.4 question number 3C. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.